This is the plaintiff, Diane McKay. She says she purchased a pair of hoop earrings at the defendant's store and a few days later decided they didn't really go with her outfit, so she went to return them. She explained they were never worn. They were in the original packaging and the clerk told her he wouldn't take them back. The policy is you have 7 days to return. She came back in 6 and is very upset at the whole situation and is suing for the purchase price she paid of $15. This is the defendant, Fatima Ducore. She says the computer says the plaintiff purchased the earrings for a 50% discount, so she really only paid $7 for them. She also claims in this lawsuit she tried to return them, but there's no record of that. Besides, these are costume earrings. Their policy states they don't take returns on costume jewelry, especially when the customer simply changes her mind. She's accused of stiffing a costume customer.
All parties, please raise your right hand. Be seated, come to order, please. Litigants have been sworn, Your Honor.
Thank you, Douglas. Diane McKay?
Yes.
You are suing Bebe Noir Incorporated, represented here by Ms. Ducore. You are the owner?
Yes.
Okay, you are suing them for $15, the value of some hoop earrings that you bought and they wouldn't let you return. Tell me about it.
I visited Bebinair on December 22nd before I was supposed to go to a good close friend of mine's funeral that happened on that Friday. So I happened to go into the store. I passed some hoops. I don't know. I looked at it and bought it on some impulse.
Okay, were you on your way to the funeral?
Yes, but
did you forget your earrings?
No, I had a pair of earrings, but
Okay.
like I said, I just stepped into the store and I just did it on impulse.
Okay.
Impulse action. So I passed on a black pair of hoop earrings, bought it.
How much did you pay for it?
It's actually $7.
But you sued for $15.
Yes, because I
Why
had to
did you sue
follow.
for-
I had to follow the small claims court downtown in New York.
And they wouldn't let you file for $7?
No, because their filing fee for items is like 15 and above. So I had
So in order to file this lawsuit, you had to lie and say it was you paid
Yes.
$15?
Yes, I did.
You just said yes to my question.
Yes, ma'am.
That just happened.
That just happened.
So you defrauded the court so that you could file your case. You lied about how much it was.
Yes.
So that you could get a $7 hoop earring case in front of me. Seriously? So let's go on with your $7 hoop earring case.
I purchased it.
Tell me what happens. On day 6, you go back to the store and decide you want your $7 back. Do you have a receipt?
I have a copy. No, I don't. The copy's too faded because I had it in my bag for over 3 months now.
Okay. So what does your receipt say?
It says you.
What does it say about returns? Does it say anything about returns?
It says you can exchange, or you can exchange, but there's no store refund, or you can have store credit.
Let me see what you do have of the receipt. According to her, she goes in 6 days later to return the earrings.
We have no record
Well,
of
you don't
that.
keep records of who comes in to try to return something. Nobody has those records.
Right.
So yeah, you have no records, but you know it happened because you got a lawsuit filed, right? So
Right.
Does anybody remember her coming in or no?
No, because
Okay.
she was a one and only time customer. She only been to the store that one time.
And so is there anyone who remembers somebody trying to return $7 hoop earrings?
No.
Okay. So you get wind of this lawsuit how?
We got a letter in the mail from the court saying that we were sued. So when we
What were you?
opened it,
Is this the first time you've been sued?
yes,
And how long have you been in business?
over 10 years.
And so, what did you think when you saw the letter, a lawsuit over $15 hoop earrings? Did you laugh? Did you cry? Were you shocked? Were you scared? What was your feeling?
I was shocked because we are in a community store, neighborhood store. Most people know us. They come just to say hello sometimes. So I was very surprised that someone that came to the store was so unsatisfied that they filed a lawsuit. And where we are, we everyone love our customer service. That's one of the key reasons why people come to the store.
What's the name of the store again?
Bébé Noir.
Okay, and where's it located? Let's give it a little plug.
Oh, sure, thank you. It's in Harlem on 7th Avenue between 124th and 125th.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. Did you actually pay $15 to file the case?
Yes, I did.
So you paid $15 to get $7 back.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Harvey Levin here. Would you ever sue on principle for $15?
Yes, I've sued over $10.
Wow, I didn't know you'd outdo it.
Yeah.
Really?
And I won against him.
Well, seriously?
Yeah. Yep.
What?
It's my sister.
She honestly got sued you?
Yeah.
Yes.
$10.
Where?
Huh? Walnut Creek, California.
Oh, you know what? Paradise in a nutshell. That's what they call it, right?
I like that.
Seriously?
Yeah,
And there's
yeah.
no hard feelings?
No, and my father was the one who was on my side.
Started it all.
Oh, God. Okay, this is a whole soap opera. Going inside the courtroom.
What you got?
A blank receipt for you.
Oh, I hate when this happens. Have you got a more legible copy of the receipt?
Yes, I do.
Indeed, you do. And in the legible copy of the receipt, it says that their return policy is 7 days, and we do not, in capital letters, we do not accept returns or exchanges on bags, jewelry, unless a gift receipt is being presented. Do you have a gift receipt?
No, I
No,
don't.
because you bought it for yourself.
Right.
So there's no returns.
Okay.
Okay. So you made the owner of a business
Yes.
go through whatever modicum of suffering there was by getting a letter of you suing them. You made her get ready and come to court to answer the lawsuit. You wasted my time because I have real cases outside with people with real principle, because this isn't principle. Okay? Soup kitchens are principle. This is a fraud filing, which you claim to be twice as much as what you paid, so you could get into court, because otherwise everybody was going to shake their head and say, no, lady, we don't take lawsuits for 7. Why we take them for 15 is beyond me. But that's what this was. Right?
Yes.
And as it turns out, you're dead wrong. Yeah, your case is dismissed. Verdict for the defendant.
Well, did not go too well for the plaintiff. Miss McKay, I don't think the judge was too happy with you.
No, she's not.
I think she's kind of mad.
I know she is. She's perturbed.
Yeah, she is.
She's angry.
Yes.
I had to do what I have to do.
Was it all worth it trying to just get $7 back? I mean, did you take it into the store and they told you no?
I did take it to the establishment, and the proprietor looked at it and looked at me and said they do not accept clearance items.
A clearance item, a sale
Yes,
item.
yes.
Because they sold it to you for half price.
Yes.
Well, you should have stopped right then and there and ended it.
Right.
Think you'll ever do this again?
No.
Okay.
No.
Very good. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Thank you.
Okay, doors that way. Well, here comes the defendant, Ms. Ducouré. I felt for you in there, you know.
Thank
this
you.
is kind of it's a mess. But anyway.
Yeah.
First time?
Yes.
Okay. Let's
I
hope it
hope
doesn't
last
happen
time
again.
too.
Okay. All right. I'm sure. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Harvey?
Doug, real simple. A store is not required to return a product, accept the return of a product, if there was nothing wrong with it, period.